Airport.
Welcome.
Check-in desk.
Where are you flying to?
Sydney City. Economy class. At 10 a.m.
Place them on the scales, please.
Huh? Oh no.
There's an excess baggage charge of $40.
Remove some items, bro.
I will leave a dumbbell.
Let's see.
Oh. Uh-huh.
Your boarding pass.
Oh.
Let's see on the screen. 15 kilograms.
Move connection.
Let's go. Enjoy your flight.
Customs. Stop feature.
I'm afraid you can't take these through.
I'll take them out.
Next, please.
Good luck.
The departure of the 10-point full flight SK526 to Sydney. 20 hours later.
Have a nice day.
Baggage reclaimed. Loop motion.
Where is Harry?
Hey, let's play on the baggage carousel.
Get off there immediately. Don't do it again next time.
I promise. Oh no!
You are arrested!
This is a misunderstanding.
How to build baggage carousel. Step 1. Build a conveyor belt. Step 2. Build an engine. Feature 1. Move connection. Feature 2. Stop feature. Feature 3. Loop motion. Supermarket.
There are so many types of snacks. Could I please pay?
It costs $2. Perhaps it's $3. Oh, I get it wrong. Oh, I forgot the price of this. It might be $5 or $6.
Oh.
So no, it's broken.
Make a new cash register quickly.
How to build the cash register machine. Step 1. Build the cash tray. The cash tray. Step 2. Build the barcode scanner. Tomato ketchup, yellow mustard. Step 3. Build the conveyor belt. Testing. Step 4. Complete assembly. 1 cash tray, 2 barcode scanner, 3 conveyor belts. Redecorate supermarket. Add the hamburger, taco, choco cake, and ice cream to the shelves. Cash register machine. The merchandise shelves.
I'd like to pay, please.
Please place your items on the conveyor belt. Yellow mustard. The barcode scanner. $50. Spinach. 2, $40. Your bill totals $90.
Thank you.
See you again. The cash tray.
It's a beautiful new display counter.
Burger. Taco. It's really convenient.
Thank you, I just fixed it.
Total $200.
A few moments later.
Fantastic! All stock is cleared.
Time to fulfill our childhood dreams. Honey, let's travel the world together and complete all our wishes. First, breakfast at the Arc de Triomphe. The weather is so nice, babe. We should have come here sooner. What next? Feed birds at the Eiffel Tower. Let's go, honey.
How to build a magnets desktop game. Step 1. Build the steering wheel control. Lever bar. Steering wheel. The magnets. Step 2. Build the turntable. Add the motors. Testing. The magnetic force moves the iron ball on the flat plate. Turntable plate. Case. Control panel. Arc de Triomphe. Eiffel Tower. Statue of Liberty. London Tower Bridge. South Pole. How to play magnets desktop game. The car has a magnet underneath, so it moves with the steering wheel's control.
We're at the Eiffel Tower, babe!
Champ de Mars Park.
Eat your food, birdies.
Take a picture of me with Eiffel Tower, honey.
All right, let's smile, babe.
Pigeons were your favorite, right, Anna? All right, let's move to the next wish. Visit London Tower Bridge.
London.
It's too crowded here. Let's take the picture, then move on. Now, let's go to the America.
Statue of Liberty, NYC.
We're here. Not a real star, but still fine.
Hurry, Venom is over there.
Huh?
Tom Hardy.
I love Tom Hardy.
Lucky me, a famous actor. Mr. Venom, can I get a photo with you?
Always ready, sir.
Our next wish, counting the steps on the Great Wall.
I'm hungry.
Wait, will it be my turn?
I've been waiting for an hour. Me too.
Finally, it's my turn.
Quickly, we're in a hurry.
Is my sushi ready?
Too slow. I can't wait more.
I'm hungry.
Sorry, your sushi is here.
Hey, I came first.
Wait, come here. Too tired. Hey. Ferris wheel. Step 1. Build the rim Ferris wheel. Step 2. Build double stand support. Step 3. Build the motors. Step 4. Connect the rim to double stand support. Step 5. Build the tray. How does Ferris wheel work?
One sushi, please.
Okay, come here.
Good service.
Fantastic.
Great. Serve very quickly.
I will continue to support the restaurant.
My honor.
I'm full.
Spider? Oh my god, there are spiders in sushi.
Oh no, what's wrong? At the police station.
Stop right there, prisoner.
What? That's so cool. My chance to escape is here. Let's begin. Great! Wow! Perfect! Awesome! That's great!
How to build the gender switch machine. Step 1. Build 3 reel slot machine. The motor. Install the motor onto the reel. Connect the 4 motors together. Step 2. Build the payout tray. Install for wheels in the payout tray.
Oh yeah!
Step 3. Build the control panel. Connect for motors to the battery. Install the cover. Testing.
Prisoner.
I need to use the restroom. Phew, just in time.
Wait, you're in the wrong restroom.
So beautiful. Be my girlfriend, please.
Don't touch me. You crazy.
Baby, just a misunderstanding.
Stay away from me.
Hey, babe.
Come with me.
Get your hands off me. I can't take it anymore. Please help me, officer. Please take me back to prison.
This pool is stunningly beautiful.
Let's go swimming. Wow, the pool water is so refreshing.
This water slide is absolutely amazing.
Let's build a swimming pool together.
Okay, let's start.
How to build the water pump. Add the gear. Add the engine. Testing. Install the pump. Add the pump cover. Pump water into the pool.
I love how pristine and inviting this pool looks.
Great! I have finished building the swimming pool.
Swimming time. The pool water looks great. The design of this pool is incredibly impressive. Mr. Han, I want to have a slide into the pool.
So easy. Please wait a moment. I'll finish up right away.
Let's test it.
That's not all. I have an even bigger surprise for you. These are Orbeez, and they expand into larger shapes when soaked in water.
A few moments later.
Oh, they've expanded much larger. I don't need so many Orbeez. I can't move in the pool.
It's interesting, isn't it?